Yeah, much be born or see release here.
Oh yeah, now.
How my brother said, you just don't know the Kanu, why have to tie also?
This is the famous Eke-Ututu market. Then Eke-Ututu, if Biafra Eke-Ututu,
this is what Biafra looks like.
Yes.
Our people are fear. You are seeing it with your eyes. This is what Biafra looks like. And you appear on social media, not total anti. But look at it. Desolation, mayhem, anarchy, chaos. Ghost town. One of the busiest markets in Imo State. Just a ghost town. Because of Nainacho Biafra. I know a push for agitation. Naina Zobai, Nana Shunde Fulani. Kelon Fulani na be called to Kelon Fulani na be called to. I lay more why. Banana walk on has it's quite unfortunate. Life and direct. Life and direct, Kanu. Eke-Ututu. Nenenia, a benine, I like a sense of one single soul. I'm sorry to call the person an idiot, but the person is an idiot. So be it. How can you reason like that? It's your name. Just look at here. Empty. The only sound they are here sound of Egbe. No, since in yes. The only sound don't know now Egbe. Of they could not explosives any gas in. It's a shame.
They did it in my own community. It's not for the fact that
just look at market stalls, opportunities. I go and don't buy and I go and don't buy. I never see opportunities I created by ourselves. Our government creating all this market. Our own effort and ingenuity can the way develop all this market. And our hatred for government through a year. Or going in a team agitation, can't you do it? Or where will you destroy your own? Negotiate. How many millions of yes, you need
you may have Afia.
Yes. Organize. Drone is a very big
Side down.
Okay. That place. That is a private drone.
I have a party of it can have you.
It's on the market. Blue, with their sweat. How big this market is. Look at how big the market is.
Bush, Kebani never. Grading, grade.
The third one every year in a grade.
Grading Kaka grade.
Much be born or see release here.
Oh yeah, now.
How my brother said, you just don't know the Kanu, why have to tie also?
Orsu bufu, no sake bufia. Nchame Igbo, Nchame.
Hey,
here abuzo itenansa. Itenansa.
Here protagera itenansa unubi.
Unubina.
Because is abandoned.
Yes, Ijele. Eba he send Biafra na machine.
Yes.
O eba ka.
Okay, ogologo uzo aka am machine na. Na machine na mgba.
Na ma video machine na. Bia le isi obineri that the first exit of this here all be here. Ijele obi a. Then eba somewhere here.
This is Sacred Heart Parish or H0o. This is the parish house. The parish house. Watch the parish house here. Sacred Heart Parish or H0o. See the parish house. Nnamdi.
Onye he nwụọ 1000 likes put in walawa. Ihe ọjọọ ndị Igbo na support ife ọjọọ.
Not only that, nekwanya ihe ni na they use bot account where a boost to all those posts. They have their bot farms. See, still Sacred Heart Parish. This is the hall. This one they've ripped out many of the metal of the rods. Full church.
Front and back about here, my bag in here. All this place in here. Can watch and just came market. I high now where? Can change. Came market. I in the Bible again. Go change. Careful. Careful. Behind our west side of Washanja, side of main market. All of that was in here. I hear she, I hear fool. I hear she, I hear fool. Yeah,